So the first step is to simply go to your settings, and then you're gonna have to scroll down to general. Now after you do that, you're gonna have to scroll down again and simply tap on keyboard. Now simply tap on keyboards at the top, and as you can see, I have the English keyboard. So simply tap on add a new keyboard, and here you're gonna be able to choose any of these keyboards that are available. So I'm gonna choose Chinese and I'm gonna pick a random one. And as you can see now, we have these two keyboards. Now, if I open something, so let me open the Notes app. As you can see at the bottom, we have this globe icon. So simply tap on that. And then as you can see, they're gonna change the keyboards for us. Now, depending on which language you choose, you're gonna be able to use the new keyboards and the new keys, etc. So basically, that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.